Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Dawn here. So today I thought I would do a journal page with you. So I have my junk journal that I made. So it's very simple. I've got these little charms on, so they'll probably keep there you go, hitting off the glass mat, but I will keep hold of them where I can. So I didn't do a video showing how I made this. This is just my personal art journal, and I have done a few pages in it so far. If I can find one, so there's one there. We have this one. But what I thought, and we also have this one, which is my most recent one, and I do have a video on that one. So what I thought I would do is I made these tags quite a while ago now, and I was just playing, and I absolutely love the effects. So I particularly love this one. So what I thought I would do is I'm going to go and get some acrylics out of my stash in different colours, and I think I'm going to create something very similar to this on one of my pages, but I'm thinking of using really bright colours, so I won't be putting any browns or anything like that in, but yeah, so that's what I thought. But I thought I would film the process, so I will put I'll probably use that page. So let me just put a couple of clips onto this so that it is all ready to work with, if I can. There we go. So yeah, I'm going to put it on speed up, and I am going to put some music on over the top, some nice relaxing music, and hopefully you enjoy this video, because I know that I am really going to enjoy making it. So yeah, I hope it gives you lots and lots of inspirations. Got any questions or anything like that, please do ask me in the comment section below, and I will try and answer the best that I can. But yeah, I hope you enjoy. Okay, so that is my journal page finished, and I absolutely love it. I love the vibrant, bright colours, especially this background. Now, it's not something I would normally use. It's a toxic yellow, but it's so bright, and I think it works really well on my journal page. So I did follow this as my inspiration. I did do a bit of stenciling as well, using some stencils that using a stencil that I got from Craftbox. I've used the Tim Holtz quotation stickers, and I've just used my Sharpie pen. The colours of paint that I used, so I used this mixed media paint Iris, and then I've just used really cheap acrylic paints, and now these are from The Works, and I think you got something like I want to say around 15 colours for £8, something like that. I'm not 100% sure, I can't remember, but I know they're really cheap. And this is Cerulean, Vermilion and Lemon Yellow. So they're the colours that I have used on this. I also do have a purple marker. Now I got this free in a magazine, and I thought it worked perfectly on this. It's just a purple one. And yeah, I think it's gorgeous. I love it. And it's just, yeah, and it's been so therapeutic doing it as well, not thinking, just going with the flow, doing, you know, not, and I suppose that's what art journaling is all about. It's about just relaxing, taking time out for yourself, and, you know, putting your mood, how you're feeling onto the page. And I think I have achieved that today. I'm not sure what mood it's trying to say that I'm in, but it's how I felt today, and it's how I wanted to sort of express myself, and how I wanted to sort of record today. So the quotations that I have used, I've used Create Art, because I really wanted to do it from the heart, which it is, you know, it this inspired me, which I made a few weeks ago. I was sat playing, I was testing out some new watercolours that I got, some crayon ones, and I loved making them. So they do just stay in this journal. I do need to make like a pocket or something for them to sit in. So it is from the heart. Make it today count. And I think that's an important one. Make every day within your life count, because, you know, we only get one life, and it's very precious. Smile, because you always feel better with a smile. And the last thing is travel, which is one of the things that I would like to do. So this year, I mean, by the time this goes up, I'll have already have been to Dublin. So I'm going to Dublin this weekend. So by the time this goes up, I'll have already been there. But I am also visiting Italy in October, which I'm so excited about, and I cannot wait. I'm going with my best friend, so that is going to be really fun, just us two girls. So yeah, so this is how I felt. I love art journaling. I don't do it enough on my channel. I tend to do a lot more cards and stuff, but I have noticed that I am starting to do a few more. And actually the person who has inspired me to make to go back into my art journaling is actually Emma, from Emma's, I think it's Emma's Creative Corner. I'll leave a link to her channel, but she's done a couple of flip throughs recently of her art journals, and looking at them has just inspired me. I've got a few completed that I have put away, and this is my new one that I've got out, and she has inspired me to get back into doing it, because, you know, this is one of the things that is very therapeutic. It makes me feel better, it helps my condition, you know, it's a wonderful if you've never done it, don't think about how it turns out. I mean, I've got art journals where the journal pages are terrible, they're really bad, but it's how I felt on that day, and it is, just go with it. So that's what I've done today. Sorry for waffling on. I've just looked at being talking away there for about 5 minutes, just about random stuff. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I really do hope that this inspires you to make yourself a junk journal, or to go and buy a junk journal and to create some art. Either, I mean, if you haven't got a junk journal, you can always use an old book, you could use a magazine, and that was the other thing that Emma had done on her She actually uses a magazine as well for art journaling, which I've never ever thought of, and I think that's just amazing. So yeah, you definitely have to go and check her out, and her pages are just fantastic, and it's just made me really want to get back into this. I mean, I've missed doing it. I love getting my hands dirty, as you can see. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I will be great now. All links, everything you need to see is in the description box below, so go and check them out, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. But until then, happy crafting. Bye.